Once envisioned as Malaysia's most ambitious lifestyle destination, a city within a city, a place where entertainment, retail, and culture would meet. This is the story of Empire City, now reborn as Hextar World, a story of big dreams, long silence, and a powerful comeback. Empire City was launched in the late 2000s as a mega mixed-use development in Damansara Perdana, Selangor. The plan was bold: a massive shopping mall, luxury hotels, office towers, residential apartments, and Malaysia's first indoor ice skating rink. At its heart stood Empire City Mall, designed to compete with the biggest malls in Southeast Asia. The excitement was real. The expectations were high. Empire City Mall officially opened its doors in 2012. Visitors were drawn to Malaysia's largest ice skating rink at the time, wide-open atriums, modern architecture, and a promise of world-class retail. For a moment, Empire City felt like the future. But the dream didn't last long. Due to financial difficulties, construction delays, management and funding issues, many sections of the mall remained incomplete. Shops began to close. Footfall dropped. Lights went dim. For years, Empire City became a symbol of unfinished ambition. A ghost mall with enormous potential, but no momentum. People passed by, wondering what went wrong. Then came a turning point. The property was acquired by Hextar Group, a diversified Malaysian conglomerate. With new ownership came a new vision and a new identity. Empire City Mall was rebranded as Hextar World. This wasn't just a name change. It was a restart. Hextar World was redesigned to become a family-friendly destination, an event-focused lifestyle hub, a place for experiences, not just shopping. Gradually, life returned. Today, Hextar World features seasonal festivals and cultural events, exhibitions and pop-up experiences, entertainment zones, cafes, restaurants, and retail outlets. The ice rink remains a landmark, a reminder of the mall's original dream. Walking through Hextar World today, you can feel the difference. There is movement, there is sound, there is energy. Families, young visitors, and content creators now explore its spaces. Events bring crowds back, and the mall is once again finding its identity. Hextar World may not be the mall it was once planned to be, but it is becoming something new. Hextar World teaches us an important lesson. Not every dream fails forever. Some dreams simply wait for the right time and the right hands. From ambition to abandonment to revival. This is not just a mall. This is Hextar World, a second chance built in concrete and hope.